Hello, this is Tony with the Webpreneur Nerd. Um, got a Facebook text at 10 o'clock in the morning, all excited about some cool new thing. And so I've got my bro, Brad, on the phone. Say hi, Brad.
Hi.
And he's going to tell us all about it and help me install this bad boy. So, what do you got?
Oh well, so it's basically just it's an LCARS uh, Star Trek GUI graphic user interface.
That's cool.
It just makes your desktop look a lot like you see on the when you're watching the Next Generation. It looks like what they have on their little flat screens and stuff. And actually, I've learned that it's um, you can use it like on actual touch screens and stuff. It's even cooler on a touch screen. It's more like the real original one, but it's completely usable. I mean, it's got your Windows Explorer, but it's all integrated into it and stuff like that. The best part is it just runs as like a program, so you don't actually have to completely integrate it into your like shell and stuff like that. So if it gets buggy or something, it'll just crash the program instead of mess up your whole computer.
Oh, that's good, because that's like one of my main worries whenever I install crap like that. Is it gonna completely hose my system?
Yeah, no, it doesn't. It's not a shell integration. It's simply, it is in a way, but at the same time, it is, but it isn't, because it just runs as a separate program.
All right, well, let's get it. What do I do?
Oh, you just go to, hold on, I have to find it. LCARS, LCARS X32.com.
lcarsx32.com.
Yeah.
Welcome to the 24th century. So just download.
Yeah, and just go to download, and then you just download it and install it.
So which one do I get? The pre-alpha release?
Oh, I would get. Oh, yeah. Actually, I got the. What do they call it? Hold on, let me go back to my Explorer here. I think they got a weird name. Oh, I got the incremental build.
Oh.
So it says, "Careful, don't burn yourself," because it's kind of. I don't know if it's an alpha. I don't even know if it's in alpha stages right now. But so far, I've been using it now for like the last 6 hours, and I haven't had any problems.
All right, so I'm installing it now. Is it going to make my machine reboot?
No.
All right, so it says I'm running it. Now what?
Okay, so now you want to go computer, my documents. I was just opening my documents up using voice commands.
Is that part of the program?
Huh?
Is that part of this program?
Oh yeah, as long as you have, it actually utilizes Microsoft speech recognition.
That's freaking cool, dude.
It's pretty cool. Here, let me figure out. I think all I did was go. See.
Oh, I don't like waiting.
Yeah, I just opened up. Oh wait, no, where is it? Oh yeah, I just ran it. LCARS X32 installer.exe, and then it'll install a little shortcut on your desktop, which I put on my quick launch bar, so I don't like anything on my desktop. And you literally just run it like you're gonna run a program. It's just execute. And what I like to do is after I get it done, I'll figure out how to get my taskbar to pop up. Like I'll open up the Explorer.
Yeah.
And then I'll right click and I'll go what you can do is you can control alt delete actually, and then go to task manager, and then I end the explorer.exe. So that way the Windows Explorer isn't running in the background. And so far it hasn't messed anything up on this end.
Okay, so I've got it open. This is pretty cool. But so what do I? Oh, so there's my Google. Oh boy. There's my browser. That's cool.
Yeah, their browser's cool, but it's really, 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 really slow. What I do is I use Google, and then I went onto the LCARS X32 website. They have a really cool community that's built up around there, and I got a Google Chrome skin that just looks a lot like the L cars. It has the same colors and stuff, so it kind of integrates well.
Dude, this is freaking cool. So I'm at where are the, I'm at engineering.
Yeah, engineering will actually, and I've been reading about it, and it's still in the stages of development, but pretty soon engineering will be a lot more information heavy. But right now, yeah, you can kind of see your CPU usage and all that kind of cool stuff.
That is awesome. So what is main engine? Oh, I think I just closed
engine?
it. Yeah.
It might say something different. If you go to settings.
Okay.
Okay, and then you go to appearance.
All the way on the right?
Yeah, all the way on the right. It'll be underneath sounds.
Oh, cool. You can choose scheme.
Yeah, you can choose a scheme. I'm still looking for different ones. But if you choose language, go to choose language and click TNG.
Okay.
Hit use language. It'll change like settings to parameters and.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so that's what I'm using. So, but I'm not sure what main engines. I'm not sure where that is. I don't see that.
It just changed. I think because I changed my settings.
That's what I was hoping. Okay.
Okay, so if I go to LCars and I go to forum, is that where you're talking about with the community?
Yeah, forum, and then they got a neat little community. You got you go to Jupiter Station is where you can download a bunch of different apps. So like right now, I don't know if you're familiar with Rainmeter. It's like a desktop overlay. It does all kinds of really cool stuff. And let's see, Rainmeter add-on. That's where I found the Google Chrome thing. I have a Windows 7 boot skin. It was real easy to install. So now when I boot up my computer, it shows like the Federation Starship. Yeah. Yeah.
That's nuts, dude.
Yeah, I got kind of crazy on it. It's really cool. And so far, and the cool thing is too, is that it takes a little bit of getting used to, but it really is. I don't really have to go. I don't find myself like, oh man, I'm just gonna go back to my regular Windows and use that. Like I'm actually using it, and it's you know.
It's very cool though. Holy crap! I like the little.
And the voice recognition is cool. Like.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
Go to parameters.
Parameters. Okay, got it.
And then go to voice commands over on the right.
Ah, there we go.
Okay, and then you'll see internal and external commands.
Okay.
Hit external commands.
Okay.
Hit add.
Okay.
In command name, type in Chrome.
Okay.
And then in path, you just find the path. It's usually C, program files x86. It might be able to go to.
That's all right. I got Task Manager open.
Hold on a second.
I got the file path.
Yeah. So.
All right. So let me put that in there.
Yeah, put the path in there.
Okay.
Make sure Chrome.exe is there. Hit OK. Hit Save Changes. And then in order to initiate any commands, you say computer.
Well, I don't think I have my.
Yeah, turn your.
I don't think I have my mic plugged in.
Yeah, you gotta plug that in.
Let me see if it's working. Computer. What do I say?
Say Chrome.
Chrome. Yeah, I've got my webcam mic on, so I can't put my other mic on, or it'll cause interference and be all crappy and gross.
Well, if you say computer, you'll hear that. Did you hear it?
Yes.
Yeah. So, and then you can say Chrome.
That's
and then it'll open
cool.
up Chrome. But you'll actually hear the like you hear in the real Star Trek. And then have it set up right now. I have it set up. I found a bunch of apps that a bunch of people made in like Macromedia Flash, and so I can do, see, I can go into my voice and figure out what the heck. Oh, okay, so I can do like computer. Computer. Helm control. And it opens up like a little flash helm control.
That's ridiculous, dude. That is so cool.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. And it's really neat. I'm trying to figure out I'm going to try to work Rainmeter so that my entire desktop looks like, because right now I have like a cool little wallpaper and stuff, but I'm going to try to get it so that my desktop looks like an entire, like one of their entire computers, like I'm Jordy or something.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, that's pretty cool. I'll have to play around with that a little bit.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. I've been messing around with it for a while.
Sweet.
And with this Rainmeter, it's pretty cool. It'll give you the same kind of like LCARS like look on your desktop, but it'll give you like the time. It'll give you all your. For people familiar with Rainmeter, they kind of know what it does. It'll show you like your wireless connection. It'll show you your CPU usage. It'll show you your network usage. It'll show you like all that kind of stuff. And then you have like media controls. You can open media control like straight from your desktop. From Rainmeter, you can open up a bunch of stuff. It's pretty cool stuff, but I'm setting that up right now. I'm not quite sure how to do it yet. I got to read about it.
So where'd you find it? Where'd you find this LCARS?
I was looking for an alarm, a computer alarm, and on SourceForge they had one that looked like this.
Yeah.
And then like 2 weeks later, I was like, I wonder if I can make my desktop look like that. So I just searched for it, and sure enough, there was somebody that had already developed it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
All right, awesome. So again, that is lcarsx32.com.